yesterday I went yarn shopping, went to JoAnns. I saw online that they had a lot of new yarns and I went to go see if they had them out on the shelves yet. A lot of them they did. There were a couple that weren't out yet, but I did find a very kind employee who went and dug around in the back room for me. So if you don't see what you're looking for, maybe you can do the same. So to start, I did end up getting this yarn. It's not like all that new, but I wanted to give it a try. It is the Lion brand Respun. It's 100% recycled polyester. It is a medium 4-weight, recommended 6 crochet hook. You get quite a bit of yardage, 658 yards. I ended up getting 3 different colors. Got some school colors. Now that school's starting, make some hats for those football games, soccer games. It starts getting cold, so yay, school spirit. I got the wine, raven, and silver. So I got 3 of those. One of their newer ones that I was really excited about is the Big Twist Arcade yarn. It is a roving yarn, 100% premium acrylic, and you get 154 yards. Recommended hook size is 6mm, and this is the colorway Black Multi. And I don't see any black in there, so I don't know why they called it that, but who knows? It might be hiding in here somewhere. So I got that one, and I got the red purple. I got the yellow, and 2 more. I think these ones might be my favorite. Pink and blue multi. They did have a few more colors, but these were the ones that I went with. Another one that I was excited for was the Casey Knit and Crochet Pixel yarn. You get 43 yards, and it is 100% wool. Let's see, it is classified as a super bulky 6 and 9mm crochet hook, and this is the color teal. We have the color golden yellow, and which one is this? Purple Potion. So yeah, it's gonna make some nice hats. I love super bulky, chunky winter hats, so that's the plan for these right here. Again, there were more colors. These were just the 3 that I wanted. Let's see. Oh, the other new one that they had out is the Big Twist Spice yarn. You get 311 yards. It is, again, 100% premium acrylic. This color white, it's a medium 4-weight and 5.5 recommended hook size. It is pretty soft. It does have that like halo effect to it, fuzz and whatnot. But yeah, it's soft. Got it in white, mood indigo, and titanium. Those were the 3 colors I got. Again, there were a lot more to choose from. The next one, I did just get one of these because I wanted to test it out before I went too crazy. But it's the Big Twist Glisten yarn. It does have some sparkle in it, and I mean, it feels like any other typical sparkle yarn. It's not the softest, but it's not too bad. It's pretty. You get 563 yards. It is a 2-weight and 3.5 millimeter recommended crochet hook. And this guy is made up of acrylic, mohair, and metallic fiber. And the plan, I think, with this is I might hold these two together, the spice and the glisten, see what that looks like. I don't know, I'll figure something out. And then the last new yarn that I got is the Lion brand Spectacular. And this is a yarn, it goes from like thick to thin. It's a jumbo number 7, 63 yards, made up of polyester, acrylic, and wool. And it does have the sparkle in it, but it's not bad. Like, it's still pretty soft. So I am pretty excited to make some fun winter hats for the kids with this stuff. And I did go a little crazy with these ones. I got almost every single color. This one is the hot pink, snow. Got the teal and aqua. And then royal purple, silver gray, and my favorite yarn color, mustard yellow. So yeah, super bulky hat for the kids. Maybe I'll make one for myself too. I don't know, but I'm excited. I think it's gonna turn out to be really fun looking. I don't know. So we'll see with that. And I don't know about your guys' JoAnns, but at my JoAnns, they still had like a crazy amount of clearance yarn. And I did good. I only bought 2 skeins of clearance yarn. I wanted a lot more, but I behaved myself. So I did end up getting the Casey Knit and Crochet plush for $5.47. I believe it was originally $14.99, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure. But yeah, 88 acrylic, 8 polyamide, and 4 viscose, and it is a bulky 6 millimeter crochet hook. And yesterday I did crochet up a very beginner friendly bulky hat out of this yarn. So I don't know, I wanted one in black, so that's why I ended up going with the black. But that tutorial should be out soon, since cold weather will be here before we know it. So go check out all the new yarn, go check out the clearance yarn if you're interested in the beginner friendly bulky hat out of the Casey Knit and Crochet plush. Then, I don't know, grab a couple balls of that. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.